Welcome to Amsterdam.
You're missing out.
Life change.
It's really life-changing. So nice.
Lalo ka na naman this week!
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning, titas.
Morning!
Good morning. How are you?
How are you? But I want to do this one.
Sige, go. Uy, kamao naman na siya. Just leave it like that.
Look me.
Oh, sige, it's okay. And Anna's making pandesal na. Anna, just leave it like that, love. How are you doing? Ako'y kinakabahan kay ngayon yung aking very first driving lesson. So, I hope maging okay. Nagbasa-basa po ako sa aking practice book. Practical driving na, pang practical driving na book. So, we shall see how it goes, no? Malamig. And ito na po yung mga, yung na-bake natin kagabi. Malalaki talaga sila. So, next time, liit-liitan ko. Kaso maliit yung aking oven. So, hindi ko sila pwedeng patagalin sa labas, di ba? So, sabi ko, Mister, I need a bigger one. I need a bigger oven. Pero next time na yun. 2, 4, 6, 7. Ito yung plain na ubi pandesal. And ito yung may ubi flavor sa loob. May, anong tawag doon? Ubi halaya sa loob. Yan. Wala pa akong trabaho ngayon sa maggasgas at naggas o kurente. Yan na. So, initin po muna natin, no? I-oven ko pa din pag nag-iinit. Hello, titos, yung ating aling maliit, marunong nang mag-ipit ng sarili lang niya. Pero hindi pa yan nasuklay ang buhok. Pero wow! Very good, ha?
What is the kid?
Yeah. So, nag-request siya ng toasty. May ano po ito? Cheese and flavor. Keep fillet. Yes. It's Macalex Katcha. Mamahip pandesal. Ay, wala kay kuan butanganan. It's Macalex titas.
It's not correct. Mama, it's loud.
Yeah, eat well is it's Macalex in Netherlands. Very good. Okay, let's brush your hair pang gabi. Hi, katog no. It's very cold for mama.
Really? Oh. Yeah.
Which one do you want to use? The new one with mirror or this one?
What?
Which one do you want to use?
This one.
Yeah. Okay, I will do it first. Yeah, I will do it again. Sorry. Huh? Because you forgot to brush your hair, man.
Ja, maar ik hem dan een stiekje doen?
Huh?
Mag ik een stiekje doen?
Yeah, natuurlijk. We have to buy detangler de lang before you go back to school.
Wat?
Detangler, but the spray that we use, ba, so that your hair is not so hard to brush.
Maar ik hoor hier iets.
Huh?
Ik hoor dit. Ik hoor hier iets in mijn oog net, maar hier niet.
Oh. Okay. Like that?
Ja. Dat hoor ik in mijn
Oh, sige na,
oog.
pag-eat na kay because Opa will be here soon. When your hair is tangled hard and not easy to brush, you need a detangler. Pero yung detangler kasi na nabili ko dati, may kamahalan siya, so hindi ko na po binili. Pero sa Friday,
Mama,
Bili
dit een
tayo.
beetje pijn als je hier
ay, sorry.
doet.
So after, I think on Friday, after we go to your dentist, we will drop by the Centrum. We will just go to the Centrum, huh? So we can buy your detangler because on Monday you have to go back to school. So in the morning, Mama always has
Mama, doe.
excited po ako next week kasi back to school na siya. So ako na ang mag-ready ulit sa kanya for school.
Mama.
Yes.
Oh, dus.
Huh?
I don't know.
Don't play with food, ha? Okay.
No.
I'll be here soon. And yung aking driving will start at 9 o'clock. So, ipipick up lang po ako dito ng aking instructor. Makikita niyo. Gosh. I don't know what to expect, pero I hope he doesn't expect too much from me kasi first time ko talaga po sa driver's seat.
Mama, ik wou het op die stick te doen.
Oh, it's okay. Do you want a hair clip here?
Maar I want the stick.
Yeah, but next time, because I already did it. Do you want a hair clip? Hair clip.
No.
No? Okay. My gosh!
Wat?
Ik vind het een beetje spannend, want vandaag is de eerste les voor mama.
Maar ik kon zelf maar ja. I have nothing.
Is het koud?
Mama, kijk je. Mama. Mama, ik wil ook een stickje doen.
Ja, doe maar. Sige. But now I think they always ask for passport. And we go to
Mama, look.
You see what? Look, she did it again.
Wat?
Kijk
Her
zelf.
own hair.
Wat deed hij zelf? Oh, goed gedaan. Een kusje. Goed gedaan. Hè? En lekker tosti eten.
Ja. Ga jij ook
Thanks,
koffie eten?
Nee. Vanmiddag doe ik yoghurt. Yoghurt is lekker hè, met aardbeien hè.
Maar papa, ik wil niet dat jij weggaat.
Ik ook niet. We moeten centjes verdienen. Hé, eten kost centjes. Lichaam, alles kost centjes.
Papa moet
Als jij later heel goed leert, Anna.
Papa moet zelfs verdienen, want mama heeft geen baan nou.
Nee.
Papa,
Mama doet heel even geen centje verdienen.
Mama kan niet...
Weet je wat jij moet doen? Als jij heel slim doet, heel goed doet op school, hè, goede rapporten haalt, word je een heel slimme meid, hoef je maar een klein beetje te werken en dan krijg je heel veel centjes.
Ja.
Weet je dat?
Klein beetje.
Ja, nu je een klein beetje werkt, krijg je heel veel centjes. Als je tandarts wordt, krijg je heel veel centjes. Kun je overal naar huisjes.
Maar niet te veel.
Nee, die krijg je geen centjes bijna.
Dan
Nee.
gaat hij dan tegen Jara zeggen.
Is papa niet mee? Mama
Ja,
krijgt
maar
geen...
wat te veel.
Mama krijgt geen centjes nou, want mama is niet aan het werken. Maar als mama terug met werken, dan krijgt mama
Papa,
meer centjes.
nou is dat jouw beker.
It is very cold. We'll see. I always forget how it is, Wang. Like you told me, huh? Like what's that? engine on, like you push the key
Ja.
and then start,
Nee, push the key.
Push
Put your
the key.
clutch in.
clutch in, and
Yes.
then start,
Yeah.
and then after that, the handbrake. Not yet.
Yeah, if you want to drive, you can put your handbrake off. And maybe depends on if it's step. Otherwise, you put your other feet on the brake, of course.
So I don't let go of the clutch yet, no? Not yet.
You can. If it's a neutral, you can let the clutch go.
Okay. But if I want to, yeah.
Nee, in neutral, one, the car does nothing. It's like the car's
Yeah.
just on. But if it's steep, the car will go, so you have to brake, you know.
Yeah, okay.
But if you want to drive, you put it in one. You put your clutch in. You put it in one,
Mm.
and
And
then
then gas.
gas, and you put your clutch loose, and then the car will go. But normally the first lesson, man, in the beginning they only let you steer
Okay.
to get used to it.
Ik heb een baard. Mama, ik heb een baard. Papa,
Ja.
wat deed jij? Nou, wat deed jij zeggen over van met jas toen als oma en opa waren hier aan de eendel in lachje?
Oh, die jas moest ik uit de droger halen. Waar is het? Die vogel.
Ja.
Tje, tje.
Hey, Jetje!
Give me one euro. It's not
Oh,
a dog.
hij is bang.
Hou op.
Hij zit in ons... Waar jij fiets moet pakken altijd.
Right, shoe.
Hey, Jetje!
Hey.
Hij deed zo. Hey. Hey, Jetje! Hey, Jetje!
Hawa, Hawa. moet
Filipino
zijn, Hawa.
breakfast or
Hawa is van weg. Hawa.
Maar papa,
pandesal and also
maar papa, ik doe
Pinoy
de
na,
jas
na palaman.
over dat die meneer die jas was kwijt.
Oh, ja, doen ze 3 biertjes drinken. Als sommige mensen doen die jas vergeten en moesten
Ja.
hem komen ophalen. I didn't expect I thought this was cheap in een broodtrommel. 13.
yeah, it's not so expensive compared to the
Oh, but
the ones I
broodtrommel,
bought for
the
Anna.
broodtrommel was only 11. That was really cheap. Of ja, I think it was cheap.
But if the one I bought before was 16 euro in Kruidvat for the water bottle. Why is Papa drinking from it?
Anna doet voor papa's glas drinken.
Maar ik
Zoek
zit
hem
toch... Mijn mama heeft toch maar hier neergezet van het water.
Het is echt lekker,
Jet en
papa.
Jokie.
Deze is echt lekker.
Jokie,
Wat? De
jij.
pan is zo.
Van die
Ja.
son.
Jokie, jij.
But somebody didn't want cheese.
Dus.
But then later on she realized, oh yeah, cheese is better.
Next one you should make with cheese.
I will make. I will also make the
Mm.
normal one.
Anna, choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. What's choo choo by birds or what?
Shoe.
What means it? Shoo shoo.
Shoe, let it go away. Shoe away.
And Hawa.
How is get lost like, yeah, it's the same. How is Cebuano?
Yeah.
Hawa.
Hawa, Hawa.
En is je? Hij is... Papa, kijk dan. Hij is je.
Sabi na kay Opa will be here soon to pick you up.
Hij is je. Hij is je.
Ja, tandenhoudpoets?
Ja. Zij is klaar voor school.
Ja, daar
Hij is je.
Basic balay-balay ang batang-bata. So, 4 minutes na lang. Dapat andito na siya. Pero may ginagawa kasi dito sa amin, di ba? Ginagawa pa yung parking lot. So, baka hindi niya alam yung lagusan doon ba. Ayan, oh, dito na side sa amin. Yan, okay na siya. Pero yung may P, yung sa parking, ano yan dyan?
Mama.
Yung playground, hindi pa gawa. Pero ginagawa nila ngayon yung daan doon. Yes.
A few moments later.
Nasa bahay na po ako. And tapos na yung aking first lesson. Ano, 1 hour and a half lang naman siya. Pero mabilis yung 1 hour and a half kasi nakatutok lang ako. Kung alam nyo po kung andito kayo sa Netherlands, sobrang stricto and big deal po siya dito talaga. Yung si Anna. Alam nyo ba yung ginagawa niya? Kasi gustong-gusto niya yung kanta na na 1,000 Years. 1,000 Years ba yun kay Christina Perry? And yung ginagawa niya, sinusulat niya po yung lyrics. Sinastop-stop niya yung script. Tapos kinokopya niya yung nakasulat. Oh. Hindi pa po siya marunong magbasa, no? Pero sinusulat niya yung letters. Are you doing okay, my love?
Yeah.
Is it difficult?
What?
What you're doing, is that difficult? But yeah, hinihintay ko lang po si, hinihintay ko lang po si Mr. And magchika kami. Magchika kami about sa nangyari kanina. Medyo kinabahan ako syempre when it comes to like steering. Kasi dito po sa Netherlands, or I don't know, other parts of Europe, but dito sa amin, yung lesson talaga mismo, nasa kalsada ka talaga. Wala po sa isang, driving area lang without cars. But dito, sa daan talaga mismo, sa traffic, may coming traffic, and basta, nasa daan ka talaga mismo. Nakakakaba talaga actually. Pero sabi naman ng instructor ko, okay naman yun. Pero, yeah. Mag-practice pa ako I need to get used to steering talaga. Anyway, hintayin na lang po namin si Mr. Nanonood po ako na Bridgerton na TV drama. Ano yung ginawa nyo? Heart beats fast. Colors and promises. How to be brave. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall, or watching you stand alone? All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Heb ik alles gedaan?
Ja, dat is genoeg. Mooi. Goed, schatje.
The next day.
Yan guys, si Aling Maliit nakatulog. Ha? Okay, give me.
Van de carnaval.
Van de carnaval. Thank you. My newspaper
Staat op de
dapat.
voorkant.
Okay, thank you. Ay, cute ni Aling Maliit. Ay, sobrang na-miss ko guys. Kaya sinusulit ko po yung time these days with her. Kasi nga bakasyon po siya ng 1 week. So kami lang dalawa sa bahay. Unlimited na cuddles and kisses. Andito na naman kami sa kanta. Oh, yan na naman siya. And yung lyrics na sinulat niya, yan guys, oh. Yan. Yes. What's that here? Wacht. Tawag na tayo ng amo natin. Yung totoong amo. Totoong boss ng bahay na to. Joke lang.
We hebben niks meer.
Oh, is op.
Ik heb de laatste.
Okay, here. Heb je. Wala na pala siyang tisyong maabot. Ayan. By the way, sa age po ni Anna, siya na yung close the door, my love, when you're in the way, say. Siya na yung ang tawag dito, nagwa-wipe sa sarili niya. Pag nagwiwiwi siya, tsaka nagpupupo. Kaya na po niya yun. Kasi din sila sa school, tinuturuan sila ng maayos sa school ba. Yes.
Nou, ik kies eten.
Wat zeg je?
Ik kies eten.
Ga je eten? Chocolate na sadya eh. You don't want pandesal?
Nou.
You asked me to make pandesal yesterday. You don't want pandesal? Tomorrow ha, mag-breakfast kag pandesal, yeah? Yeah? Lang, red lagi imong eye lang. Can you do that? Papa really has to call the doctor tomorrow, yeah? Because red na sa mong pikas mata. Wala pa, hindi pa na, ano yung...
Bedoel je de
I
beeldje?
just don't touch it, my love.
Maar mama, bedoel je de beeldjes rood?
Ja, nee, jouw oog is een beetje rood.
Van de witte?
Ja, heel klein beetje. Maar papa gaat de dokter bellen morgen, ja?
Maar ja,
Wat zeg je?
jou in de muur.
Ik heb goed geslapen als jij. Niet zoveel chocola, hè? Oké, goed zo. Ay, naku. Wala po kaming ibang ganap today. Yun lang yung aking driving lesson. Yung aking practical na driving lesson. Kasi nga, di ba, tapos na tayo sa theory exam last December. Napasa na natin yun. Kaya pwede na ako mag-proceed sa driving lesson. Dito kasi po, I'm not sure sa iba, pero dito, mas ina-advise nila ngayon na ipasa mo muna yung driving test. Yung theory test before ng driving lesson.
Mama,
Yes.
wil jij niet deze?
What's that? Show me. I can't see you. Utap. No, I don't want. You want one? Do you want one?
Nee,
Okay.
anders.
Si Ana po, sabi ni Ruth, nahilig siya sa Bounty, yung chocolate na may coco o cocos, yung may niyog. Yun yung gusto niya. Gusto namin dalawa ni Ana yung Raffaello, yung white version ng Ferrero Rocher. Pero ito kasing Bounty, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Pero gustong-gusto ni Ana. Gawa nung last time na nag-swimming sila, may nakalaro si Anang bata. Tapos binigyan siya ng Bounty, nagustuhan niya. Kaya yun na yung palaging gusto niya, Bounty na. Are you having Bounty now? Scott? Maar niet zoveel, ha? We gaan dadelijk eten. We gaan in een uurtje eten.
Dat kan maar één.
Jamol lang rin eh. Show the titas, be. Wala na. Bukas sa tawagan ulit ni Ruth yung hospital para ma-schedulean na yung yung mata ni Ana. Kukunin na yan ba? Sana maging okay na. But yeah, balikan ko naman po kayo mamaya. Konti.
Hey! Dan gaan we stiftetje aan zoeken.
Look at the house. Look at the
Ik
house.
ga winnen, hè?
She kept asking, what time are you coming
Ja,
home?
bijna 6. Als we eten, dan gaan we de stiftetje aan doen, hè?
Malapit na po kami kumain. Medyo nahihilo ako.
Ja?
Ayan, kain na tayo. Ito lang yung dinner natin ngayon. It's makalik. Jonges, meisjes.
Makkelijk.
Jonges and meisjes. Yan ang kay Ana. Nakakba lang siya. Na, it's makalik, titas.
Is maken.
And i-end na natin din yung pa-video tonight kay wala naman kaming ibang ganap. Mag-chika lang kami and mag-spend ng time. Yun lang. Duy, mush, mush, babush! Ana say, duy, mush, mush, babush.
Moet baboer.
Duy, duy.
Boos.